the rum cake, we will need a mixture of 3/4 cup buttermilk and 1/3 cup white rum, 1 cup unsalted butter, 1 1/2 cups granulated sugar, 2 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 cup chopped walnuts, a mixture of 5 tablespoons water, 2.5 teaspoons oil, and 5 teaspoons baking powder, 2 1/2 teaspoons baking powder, and 2 eggs. Take the unsalted butter and add the sugar. Beat the two ingredients until light and fluffy. Next, add the 2 eggs to the mixture and continue beating for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the vanilla extract and the mixture of water, oil, and baking soda, beating for an additional 5 to 7 minutes. Alternate the mixture of flour and baking soda with the mixture of buttermilk and rum, 4 parts dry ingredients and 3 parts wet ingredients. Grease a pan of your choice thoroughly and pour in the batter evenly. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 55 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the cake comes out clean. For the rum syrup, we will need 1/4 cup white rum, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, 1/4 cup water, 1 cup sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Melt the butter in a large saucepan over medium heat. Add the sugar, then water, and finally rum. Bring to a rapid boil over medium heat, stirring occasionally, and simmer for 6 to 8 minutes. Remove from the heat, then stir in the vanilla extract. Use a skewer to poke holes in the cake, and pour in around 1/3 of the glaze over the cake in the pan. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Then invert the cake and again use a skewer to poke holes on top of the cake and carefully pour the rest of the syrup. This season, enjoy the rum cake.